No amount of tape, no amount of nothing can save this thing. What the heck? Everything's failing. Hope this doesn't happen to Adam. Alright, let's do it like that. Let's get this thing fixed. What do you say? What do you say? We fix this stack on thing. Okay, oh, wow. ATX is standard. Micro ATX is smaller. Mini ITX is the smallest. But you won't have PCI slots then with the really small stuff, so you couldn't have like an extra USB card, or if the Ethernet goes bad, you can't add an Ethernet card. I just go with ATX. Most people just buy ATX, but if you're trying to build a mini computer, it's understandable, I guess. Some people might want a mini computer. Just have less options with a mini computer, though. I'm gonna be shopping for a mini computer for Adam, I think. Haha. Yes. Guys, I wonder what it would be like to sculpt with hot glue. I mean, now that I know how to make it cure so fast, it's such a unbelievable tool. Hot glue is already one of my favorite glues for quickly gluing something. Now it's insane. It's absolutely insane now. the fact that you can cause it to free up with alcohol, instantly cure with a duster can turned upside down, it's just the most incredible. I mean, it's not load bearing or anything long term, but for roughing out something, it's gotta start being almost as good as clay at that point if you use the duster. Did I get suspended for streaming automotive? Yes, I did. It's not saying what type of motherboard it has. Oh, okay. Yeah, it was me. I'm the creative guy that was like, hey, why don't I do something outside the box and stream car repair? I was the first person to ever do it on Twitch. And somebody reported me for non-gaming content and it had to be, in creative section it had to be like digital art or something. They were like super strict. I didn't know what the hell they were doing. I didn't get suspended. I got banned. I got completely banned. With no explanation. And I could not even use the website to watch Twitch, let alone... I got IP banned from Twitch. I couldn't stream, I couldn't watch the website, I couldn't watch the site, other streamers, I couldn't log in, I couldn't do anything. It just said, like, you have been blocked from Twitch. This is not a knockoff. This is a genuine Logitech headset, but I wear it all day, every day. And, it's really not designed to be worn forever. It's got small plastic parts that can break on the ears. And it's always falling on the ground and stuff. It takes a lot of abuse. But it's not going to break anymore because I'm epoxying it now. Fiberglass and epoxy is my go-to when I need something not to break again. This headset's perfectly good. What do you mean? Why would I waste it and not fix it? I am a DIYer. I fix it until there's no way to fix it anymore. A, B, C. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. It's as easy as A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Do, re, mi. You and me. uh, uh, uh. Uh, 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 the heck? Yeah, mailbox, why don't you just let me pick out the parts on stream while you tell me which one you want? PC part picker. That'll be way easier. I mean, well, not for me though. I'd still have to buy them from each individual website, have them shipped here, unbox it all, and then assemble it all. It's probably gonna be like